Spring is here, and it's time to refresh your dining table with beautiful seasonal decorations. But where do you start? Should you go for a floral centerpiece, pastel tableware, or a nature-inspired theme? If you're looking for the best ways to style your table for spring, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 gorgeous spring table decoration ideas that will make every meal feel like a special occasion. Stick around until the end because I have a unique idea that will completely transform your table setting.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I create a stunning spring centerpiece? A great spring table starts with a beautiful centerpiece. One of the most classic options is a floral arrangement filled with seasonal blooms like tulips, daffodils, or hydrangeas, placed in a decorative vase or a rustic wooden box. If you want something more long-lasting, a fall floral arrangement with pastel-colored flowers and greenery can be just as stunning. Another creative centerpiece idea is using a combination of candles and greenery. Arranging small pillar candles with eucalyptus leaves or baby's breath along the table adds a soft and romantic touch to your spring setup. If you love these centerpiece ideas, make sure to like and share this video so others can bring spring beauty to their tables too. What are the best color palettes for a spring table? Color is key when it comes to creating a fresh and inviting spring tablescape. Pastel shades like baby pink, mint green, and sky blue bring a soft and elegant feel to your table. If you want a bolder look, vibrant shades like sunflower yellow, coral, or lavender can make your setting feel more cheerful and energetic. A timeless and natural approach is to mix neutral tones like white, beige, and light gray with touches of fresh greenery for a subtle and sophisticated spring look. Want to see more color combination ideas? Check the description for a full playlist of spring home decor videos. How can I style my tableware for a spring-themed setup? The right tableware can enhance your spring tablescape and make it feel more cohesive. Using floral patterned plates or pastel-colored dishes immediately sets a seasonal tone. Choosing gold or rose gold cutlery adds a warm and elegant touch that complements both soft and vibrant color palettes. Glassware also plays a role. Opting for tinted glasses in light pink, green, or blue adds a subtle pop of color and makes your table look even more inviting. Got a favorite tableware style? Drop a comment below and let me know which one matches your aesthetic. What table runners and linens work best for spring? Table runners and linens can make a big difference in tying your decor together. A floral table runner with soft pastel tones creates a charming, nature-inspired look that immediately feels like spring. For a more minimal and elegant approach, a sheer white or lace table runner adds sophistication while keeping things light and airy. If you love rustic or farmhouse styles, a burlap runner paired with fresh flowers brings warmth and a natural texture to your setting. Looking for more table styling inspiration? Check the description for similar videos on seasonal decor ideas. How can I use natural elements in my spring table decor? Bringing elements of nature to your table adds freshness and charm. Using real or faux greenery, like eucalyptus, ivy, or ferns draped across the table, creates a garden-inspired feel. Incorporating wooden elements such as woven placemats or carved wooden serving boards adds warmth and a rustic touch. Small potted plants such as succulents or mini herb pots can double as both decoration and thoughtful guest favors. Want to bring more nature into your home? Subscribe now for more seasonal decorating tips and ideas. How can I decorate a spring table for a special occasion? Spring is the perfect time for hosting Easter brunches, garden parties, and Mother's Day celebrations. A themed tablescape with Easter eggs, bunny figurines, and pastel-colored dinnerware makes for a festive and fun gathering. For a more elegant event like a spring wedding or Mother's Day dinner, using soft floral arrangements, vintage-style candle holders, and gold accents creates a refined and classy setup. A picnic-style table with a gingham tablecloth, fresh fruit displays, and rustic wooden trays is perfect for casual outdoor spring gatherings. Hosting an event this spring? Click the link in the description to shop my favorite spring table decor picks. What are some unique DIY spring table decor ideas? DIY decorations allow you to personalize your table and get creative. Hand-painted mason jars can be used as vases for fresh or faux flowers, adding a colorful and whimsical touch. Crafting napkin rings out of twine, artificial flowers, or even mini Easter eggs adds a festive and seasonal element. A fun and budget-friendly idea is to create a centerpiece using a wooden tray filled with candles, moss, and small decorative birds or butterflies. Got a DIY idea you'd love to try? Check the description for links to shop affordable spring decor supplies. What lighting can enhance my spring table setting? Lighting can completely transform the atmosphere of your spring table. String lights or fairy lights draped above the table or woven through a centerpiece add a warm, magical glow. Candles in decorative holders, whether tea lights, votives, or tall candlesticks, bring a soft and romantic ambience. If you're dining outdoors, solar-powered lanterns or LED string lights provide a practical and stylish lighting solution. Enjoying these ideas? Check the description for links to shop the best lighting products for your table. What small details can make a spring table more inviting? The little details make all the difference in creating a warm and welcoming tablescape. Personalized place cards with handwritten names or small flower stems attached to each napkin add a thoughtful and elegant touch. Decorative napkin folds, such as bunny-shaped folds for Easter or simple floral wraps, make every place setting feel extra special. Adding scented candles or diffusers with spring fragrances like lavender, citrus, or fresh linen enhances the sensory experience and completes the springtime ambiance. Want more finishing touch ideas? Check the description for a full list of my recommended decor essentials. How can I keep my spring table looking fresh and beautiful? Maintaining a beautiful table setting throughout the season requires a few simple steps. Regularly replacing fresh flowers and keeping greenery hydrated ensures your centerpiece stays vibrant. Cleaning and storing table linens properly after each use helps maintain their quality and prevent staining. Updating small decor elements like swapping out candles, adding seasonal fruits, or refreshing your place settings keeps your table looking stylish and ready for any occasion. Excited to refresh your space for spring? Hit that subscribe button for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Spring is the perfect time to elevate your dining experience with beautiful seasonal table decorations. Whether you love floral centerpieces, elegant tableware, or fun DIY projects, there's a perfect way to style your table for the season. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more spring decor inspiration. Happy decorating!